Hi guys, welcome to Insight Commerce Studies. In this video, I will be giving you details about the post-result batch, post-result CA Foundation batch for May 21 exams. Now, why is this batch being organized? It is mainly for those students who are not able to clear in your November 20 exams. Even if you're writing first day May 21, you can still attend. But what is going to be the focus about in this batch? Before I get there, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am CA and CS Karthik Manikonda. I've been working in Big Four for past 3 years, Deloitte, PwC and Grant Thornton, and now I'm into teaching. In the year 2020, for November 20 exam, I conducted free online classes for the paper law. And there were many good results. Before that, November 19 also, I had taken foundation law classes for students, and one of my students also secured an all India rank 20. Definitely his effort. I only guided him about how to go about his exams. Now, this attempt in November 20, there are many students who secured marks in the range of 100 to 190, and then they were not able to clear. Most of them got 30, 35, 40, 25. They just need an additional 10 to 15 marks to pass the exam. So what is the objective of this batch? Last time I was only taking law for November 20. I was providing free classes, and many students asked me, sir, I want classes for accounts and other subjects. So this time in Insight Commerce Studies, what are we doing? All experienced faculties like Omkar sir, Tarun Raj sir, Vittal sir for accounts. I will also be guiding you for accounts. What we are going to do here is, we will take students who are going to join here and we will evaluate. We will see their past exam papers, how they wrote answers in November 20. We will also conduct test series over here on a weekly basis, and we will see how is your presentation, how are you working on your time management, and other areas. We will see how you can improve, how weak are you in concepts. We will improve, teach those concepts again and solve in my law paper at least 200 plus questions for entire foundation law from the basic I will be teaching. My objective in this batch is for those who got in the range of 100 to 190 to push you beyond 200 and clear your foundation exams at any cost in May 21 exams. You might be feeling low that you cleared after giving so much effort. November 20 was hard, 2020 was a difficult year, but just a small story for you. In the year 1991, the ICAI president, who is currently a chartered accountant, he took 21 attempts to clear a CA, and a highly respected person. See, attempts, it is good if you finish it fast, but if you don't, it's fine. We will accept and then move on to the next step. Now, in this batch, I will personally mentor all those students, personal interaction, whoever is joining. You can WhatsApp me anytime. Our objective is to give full focus for these students so that they clear their May 21 exams. How will the classes take place? It will be face-to-face classes in Chennai Nungambakkam, and also there will be online live mode. Classes are going to start from Feb 15th. You don't have to pay a single rupee. You just have to register for the class, either face-to-face or online. Only challenge is, classroom has facility to accommodate 200 students, but since it is COVID time, we are only going to take up about 50 to 60 students in face-to-face class, and then rest of you can attend from online live batch. Now, is there any fees for this? No. We will be giving you materials, handouts, all of that, and some small to cover cost. We are going to charge only rupees 1000, and you need not pay this now. You need not pay this now. When the batch is going to start on 15th of Feb 2021, come attend for free, either face to face or online live, 2 weeks until end of Feb, until 28th Feb. Don't have to pay a single rupee. Just experience the quality we are going to provide, the kind of personal attention, the importance we are going to give you for classes, how useful it is going to be for you. If you feel that this is going to be useful for you, then you can pay the balance of 1000 rupees just for registration as a motivation that you are paying some money for class. Then from 28th Feb till 30th April, every day morning 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. classes, except for the first week. First week alone, the class will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. After, it will be a morning class where we will personally monitor you and guide you. There are many students who got 150, 160. They have done some small silly mistakes, or certain things have to be fine-tuned for them to clear in their May 21 exam. So if you are watching this video, you can WhatsApp me on this number if you want to join this batch, foundation batch for May 21 exam. So we will give our best to ensure those students who are not able to make it in November 20 will definitely make it in May 21. But at the same time, I need you guys to give your effort also. It cannot be like we scream and we teach and we tell you write this test, do this like this, answer should be presented this way. You should also have the effort from yourself. When I say go home and practice these sums, go home and practice these questions, go home and do this homework and come back, you have to do this. Whatever effort we give, you have to give 2x effort, and together let's see success in May 21. So thank you guys. All the details will be there in the group. You will join some WhatsApp group. So you can message me. I will give you a link for a WhatsApp group. You can join that WhatsApp group. All details about the class, every detail, how it will go about, how to register, everything will be posted in that group. All you have to do is get this link from me and join the WhatsApp group. Thank you guys for staying till here. All the best for your May 21 exams.